A wild day in the precious metals market, most notably silver breaking out above that important $35 level, pulling back a little bit afterward. And also something strange happened a little bit in GDX as well. But let's start with the gold chart. So gold was forming this little cup and handle pattern here with this downward sloping trend line. So bounced off this trend line and then broke out. Looks like it was a false breakout. And now the next downward target would be this horizontal line, or we could come back and retest this downward sloping trend line right here. So that level, the first one is around 33, 32. That's the horizontal line. And this one's positioned around maybe $3,308, somewhere in there, to retest that downward sloping line. And here's really the story of the day. This is a daily chart of silver, with silver breaking out above the old high that we had back in the fall. And it traded above $36 an ounce before it pulled back a little bit here. So look for a retest of that level here around 34.80, somewhere in here. And it looks like we do have a little bit of a divergence here on the MACD compared to the price. So we could come back down and test the high of this level, or possibly this downward sloping trend line. And the gold miners started off well. This is an hourly chart, and formed this gravestone doji candle, and then headed lower most of the day. And even with silver breaking out above that key level, the gold miners did not perform well. And the first downward target is this old low here, so 52.38, and then a retest of the gap, 51.72, and then we could possibly retest this horizontal trend line at 50.76. So it could be forming a little bit of a double top here with a little bit of a higher high with this gravestone above this level. We'd have to break this low here to confirm that a double top in GDX has happened. All right, guys, that's it for today. Oh, I did buy some shares in equity metals at 22.5 cents today. That's the only buy I had. A lot of the silver juniors were actually down today. Silver 47 was down a little bit, and equity did end up closing higher, but it did dip into negative territory, and I got lucky and I caught the low of that one. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.